Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, January 3rd, 2025. Yes, got it. Good morning, and welcome to the live trading room. Tim the Trader. I'm glad you're all here. Hope you had a good evening yesterday. Um, Unfortunately, my Georgia Dogs got beat down yesterday in the semis, so it's over for my two teams this year. But that's okay. We've just started on trading. So anyway, we had a great day trading yesterday. It was great to start the new year with four great trades yesterday. Started out with a 32 center yesterday, which was very nice, and got some great price movement yesterday on these swings back and forth. But look at what happened at I still don't have that time. About 11 15 had this huge drop that happened. Then not a lot else that happened rest of the day. Actually, that's a little later in the day. But that huge sell-off that happened right there midday. I don't know what was going on with that. Anyway, it may have been some news that came out that they decided to take it down. Keith will let us know if that is true. Q closed up slightly at 510 43, and let's see, do we have a gap play this morning? We're up to 513.34. No gap play. Okay, nothing yet. Get back there. Let's head over to the option chain. We are trading Monday's expiration, which is let me get up there, January 6th. 2025, and we've got just 800, not just 861,000, but 861,000 in pre-market volume. We'll start at the money. We'll start at the 5 at or near the money, the 513 on the call side, 514 on the put side. And what else do I have? Okay, let's toss it over to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, yesterday was the best trading day of the year so far, you know? Yeah, the best of times and the worst of times. So only one day of trading. No, it was very good. This morning, where'd my page go here? We have manufacturing, ISM manufacturing reports coming out at 10 o'clock. So I would expect to see a pretty big pop one way or the other at 10. We also have one of the Fed members speaking at 11 today, and that's about it on for announcements today. And
Okay.
so, yeah, we'll see how it goes today.
Yeah. Yeah. It's Friday. We made it through another week. We've had two really good weeks of trading here. So we're proud of that. Got a lot of great reports yesterday on people making money right and left. So congratulations to all of you. I love getting those reports and hearing when you're doing well. Want to hear when you're not doing well as you know in addition. So if there's anything that we can help fix or change, we will absolutely do that. But we've been enjoying some just really nice price movement here this week, and hopefully it will keep up today. And we've got coming up on 30 seconds here, a little bit. Make sure you've got 20 cents between each of your hash marks on your charts here, on the side of each of your charts. And I'm going to move this out of the way. There we go. All right, 15 seconds. Let's make it a good close of this week. Here we go. And five, four, three, two, one. There we go. We are in. Oops. Let's see what the markets are. So we got Dow is up 214, Nas is up 119, S&P's up 30. So pretty up markets. positive market this morning, so we'll know which side to favor. Lots of volume this first minute as we get all that pre-market volume run into the option prices. Option prices are running about the three mid $3. Getting the push up here. So I will start at the money. I will be at the money to start with. So the 513 on the call side, 514 on the put side. Don't really want to get into a $4 premium if I can help it. So getting a nice breakout here right off the top. Let's just be patient. Generally, we want to let the first, 3, 4, 5 minutes go by, unless it's an obvious breakout, which this is starting to look like a breakout. But let's just be patient. If it's a true breakout, it'll keep going. Let's get that down. Let's get that chart down there. Let's get that chart down. Let's let Felix into the room. Price rise slowing down here a little bit. All right, going over to the 514 on the call side. 514 on the call side. I'm going to give this one more minute. All right, see if we get a pullback here. If not, we'll consider this call trade if this continues.
I'm putting a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. Go. Okay. Now, see this pullback that we're getting now. This is pretty typical. We'll get 3, 4 minutes of push up, and then about the time we're ready to get into it, we get that reversal. We've gotten burned by that a number of times before. Got Dow up 245, Nas up 152, S&P up 36. We've got 1.7 million in the underlying.
MACD is pretty high in the Heikin-Ashi chart too.
Yeah. So we'll let that come down off the ceiling here. All right, keeping an eye on the 514 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter the 514. Whoops. Ah, hit the wrong button. I'm sorry, I did not get into that trade. I'm going to reset.
I got in for 366.
Okay. I'm trying again. There we go. Finally got in. If I hit the right buttons, 358 on that. Up to 374. Try to get 20 cents out of this.
I got 20 cents, 366 to 386.
Okay. And I got 358 to 403.
Turkey.
You can't beat me on everyone,
So true.
although you beat me on most of them.
I wouldn't say that.
How many cents did you get on there, Tim? Sorry, I missed it.
45.
Oh, geez.
Yeah,
Nice work.
thank you.
367 to 406.
Oh, nice job. Nice job.
How about you, Rita?
362 to 402.
Nice. Yeah, that was a just perfect setup for us. And then I just got a text, bought right away at 255, sold at 353. Three options. Way to go. Man, you guys are starting out hot this year. Got a number of people have already signed up for our live event end of this month. Looks like it may fill up pretty fast this time. So if you're considering coming, you may want to go ahead and get signed up for it. And I hope you're coming. It's going to be a good seminar this year. Lots of good stuff.
Is there a link to sign up, Tim?
Yes. Yeah, I sent it out to everyone. Did you not get it, Kathy?
Um, I must have missed it.
Okay. Just let me know if you didn't get it and I'll resend it or
Okay,
maybe
thanks.
I'll just resend it anyway.
Yeah, I don't think I do have it.
Okay.
But we have to call the hotel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no group thingy on their website.
Right. Right. If you just call and tell them you're with Sharpen Your Edge 3, there's a group of rooms set at a special rate. And it's actually 131 a night, not 129, we discovered. My bad.
Does that include parking or do they still charge extra for the parking?
No, that includes parking.
Okay, thanks.
What about is our room going to have coffee and stuff in it? Because they said there's two different rates, one with and without breakfast.
Oh, actually I'm not sure.
Because last year we had fruit and bagels and stuff.
Yeah,
in our
we'll
rooms.
have stuff in the room.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll have coffee and beverage service in the room for us and probably some breakfast stuff. All right, price backed up a little bit. All right, so basically looking to see if we're going to get another breakout toward the top side here. We did reverse just slightly.
It is approaching yesterday's high also.
Okay. So keep an eye on the 515 on the call side, 515. So I wouldn't mind seeing a reset of our MACD, at least on the 1 minute on the Heikenase.
You don't like it up about 1.4?
No. It's getting a little high.
Yeah.
Tim, this is Victor. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Victor, how are you?
Good, how are you? I'm a new guy. I just wanted to find out which expiration are you looking at? Are you looking at today?
No, we're looking at Monday's expiration.
Monday expiration.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you always buy 1 day ahead, right?
Yes,
Okay, got it. Thank you.
you bet. And welcome to the group.
Thank you.
All right, we're starting to see our MACD on our Heikenase starting to curl over, which is good. We do want to reset on that. In fact, I'd like to see a pretty deep reset happen. Yeah. All right, we finally got our cross on our Heikenase. Not necessarily looking for a put trade with as high as the markets are. Price coming down to VWAP. See if we get a bounce off of VWAP. If it's just going to push right on through.
My 5-minute candle doesn't fit all the way on my chart.
Let's see here. I think we are safe to put in a supply zone. Much time? Yeah, I think we can do that. And put a supply zone on the top of this one.
Good morning, Tim.
Yeah, good morning, Israel.
Good morning, all. I'm making my nut early.
What's that?
I'm making my nut early.
Yeah, right on. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on the 514 on the call side. Stand by. Price may take another run here at VWAP. Wow. It's just about to get into that call too.
Does that mean it will continue to go down, Tim?
I'm sorry?
Does that mean it would continue to go down or eventually it would bounce up?
It's going to eventually bounce up. First stopping point will be the demand zone here, the green line. Let's see if it bounces off of that or bounces short.
Got it. Okay.
Pretty wild swings this morning.
No kidding.
Unfortunately, they're all within like 1 minute of, so there's not a lot of continuation except for that first trade we got in.
Yeah. Just having a bit of a challenge rising back again.
Remember, we got that big pop at 10 too, which who knows what that's going to do.
That's true. Hmm. Looking at the 514 on the call side. Stand by. All right. And again, reversing. If you've just joined us, I know several people have just come on. We've had one nice, pretty large trade in, looking for our second trade.
We are about 4 minutes to the pop. I think I'm going to wait.
Okay. Let's see, we're kind of staying in a pretty tight range here. If it continues like this, there's some scalping we can do.
We had about 2 minutes to the pop.
Okay. We'll hold off on any trades till we get through the pop.
A minute to the pop. Really has struggled to get back above 515.40.
Yeah. All right, coming up on the pop here. And we're in the pop. Pop, pop, pop. Tricky little move by the market maker there to pop it up momentarily, sucker in some retail traders, and then right down to VWAP.
The employment index missed by a little bit, but the other three reports came all positive, a little bit greater than anticipated.
Okay. You see our volume is way up on this minute. There we go. We're in minute 2.
Hi team. What strike price are we looking at?
Looking at on the call side, the 515 on the call side and the 516 on the put side, maybe the 517. No, 516 on the put side.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sure. Still looking at the 514 on the call side.
I think I'm going to jump in on this on the call.
Okay. I'm gonna hold off just because I think it's in a range here.
I got in at 387.
All right, stand by on the 514. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Oh, pass me by. There, finally got filled at 424. And I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here.
I got 387 to 437.
And I got 424 to 424 to 447. And if you're still in this trade, folks, you may want to go ahead and take profit here while it's nice and high. Good call on that trade, Keith.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, I'm going to move the demand zone up from this pseudo up to this agreement right up here on the 5-minute. Yeah. So Dow's up 165, Nas up 212, S&P up 43. Oh, wow. Just got a text 264 to 320. Great job. Great job. That's that's Russell who's getting all these incredible trades, doing great. The price breaks back through the supply zone. We may have another call trade.
We've had some nice movement yesterday and today.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good volume too.
Yeah, 5,900,000 about to cross over to 6 million on the underlying. A lot, you can see the volume, the volume spikes on these long candles.
Well, we're getting some little bit of touch of white death here this afternoon, maybe an inch of snow here this afternoon. It
Really?
could be a significant amount on Monday.
Yeah, there's some rumor that we might get some snow down here. Of course, can't tell you how many times they've predicted snow and it never happened.
Yeah, yeah, they've been doing that a lot here too.
The price coming back down to VWAP, pushing through. Let's see if it's going to come through the demand zone or bounce off of it. Yeah, I'm pushing through the demand zone.
Market makers cleared out their warehouse on the last bump up, I guess, and want to refill them.
Apparently.
I think I need to get a bigger screen because these candles are running out of my screen.
Yeah, I'm debating on my 5-minute chart to change the gap so I can at least see the full candle.
Price trying to break back through the demand zone. And it's doing was through. And a lot of pushback at this demand zone, which we would expect. See if the call direction can take off. If it does, I'll be at the 514 on the call side. Wow. That's from Russell. Caught some more puts on that swing, 260 to 315. Wow, four options. Thanks, Tim. Maybe I'm just lucky today, plus 1100 so far. Nice. Nice job.
Yeah, just to clarify, we're a little cautious on puts when we're in such a green market, or we would have been looking at that also.
Yeah.
But good job.
All right, I'm going to go over to the put side here to the 515 on the put side. I'm just going to keep an eye on it. I'm actually more interested in the reversal. I'll be at the 513 on the call side if this does get turned around. Just over 7 million in underlying volume. Dow's up 50, Nasdaq's up 103, S&P's up 21. Quite a sell-off we've had here. Market maker really filling up the warehouse. All right, looking at the 513 on the call side still. All right. All right, I'm going to enter this 513 on the call side. And got filled at 343. Stand by to take profit. And I'm going to go ahead and just take some profit here at 366, 343 to 366.
Fantastic. It jumped past me when I tried to get into that.
Did it?
Just waited a little too long.
So up there are three trades, three positive trades up 91.
I've had two up 70.
Wow, it's a long wick on that last 5-minute candle.
Yes, indeed.
Hmm.
Almost a doji on the last 1 minute candle, too.
Yeah. All right. Price gets past VWAP and this minor zone, may look at another call trade. And not a minor zone, but it's the demand zone. Guys, excuse me just for a minute. Okay, I'm back. All right, still reaching for the demand zone. Dow's up 184, Nas up 157, S&P's up 37, with 7,650,000 traded in the underlying asset. All right, so we're just a couple minutes over an hour in. Got 7,800,000 in on the underlying. Dow is at 1 plus 173, Nas plus 150, S&P plus 35. Still very positive. Markets are on the positive side, even though we are underneath VWAP and the demand zone. Price right at the VWAP, trying to break through.
Hasn't been a lot of volume the last four candles.
No, been very low. All right, guys, I'm going to keep an eye on the 513 on the call side. 513. If we get above here and can keep going, but we need more volume to come in, or else price is going to continue to kind of languish sideways here with some minor swing highs and sell-offs.
I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on this.
Oh, yeah. All right. At the 515. Now I'm going to go to the 514 on the call.
It's passing me by.
You haven't entered yet, guys.
I got in at 372.
All right. Whoop. There we go. Got in at 370. Yeah.
Come on, get back up there.
Yeah.
Come on, you turkey. Come on, get back up there. There we go. Come on, get back up there.
Come on, you can do it. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm going to take some profit here. Out at 383, 370 to 383.
Came within 3 cents of my close order.
Hmm.
No, it came in from 1 cent of my close order.
There it goes.
Come on, stretch it up there. There we go. Come on. Get back up there.
Wow. Russell, killing it. 232 to 325.
Hmm.
Way to hang in there on those trades.
Come on, get back up there. Hmm.
It'll come back around. Come on up. Come on up.
No, no, No.
That's not the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, come back up. Bounce off of VWAP. There you go.
Get some volume in there.
Yeah. Dow still up 236, Nas up 190, S&P's up 43. Still very much a positive market. Price is just cycling through a fairly narrow range, and it will cycle back up. Bounce off of VWAP here again.
Come on, get up there.
I know. Quit fooling around. Let's go. There's a doji.
Yep.
Tim, are you in the call trade?
No, I got out of that trade
Oh, okay.
back at 7, or excuse me, at 10:44.
Okay.
I'm still in it.
You guys have a good weekend. It was good trading today.
Thank you, Israel. You too, buddy.
Thanks.
We'll see you all Monday. Thank
All
you.
right. Take care. Yeah, we're going to wrap up here in a couple of minutes. We just want to make sure that Keith gets safely out of this trade profitably.
No, that would be nice.
Yeah. You can see on this trade, guys, that its price is holding pretty steady on the downside at VWAP or even the demand zone and bouncing off of it. So that shows you that there's good, strong support at that level, which leaves the upside free and clear. And since the markets are up nicely today, I would expect that price is going to jump up here. Just price is a victim of low volume right now. Come on.
No, keep come on and up. Yeah. Got a fair room between where we are and the supply zone up there too.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys, we have top of the hour. I'm going to have to go ahead and break away at this point. Leave the charts up and try to keep them up as best I can. I've got several appointments I have to get to. So anyway, it's been a great week, a great start to the new year. Thank you all for being here and supporting the room. And we will see you all on Monday. And Keith, I'm sure that this one's going to be fine.
Yeah, I think so. I'll be a little bit patient here. Have
Yeah.
a great weekend, everybody.
Okay. You too, Keith. Bye, everybody.